How to add product variants on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add product variants in Shopify. So let's get started. Simply open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. So then we have to go to products, and in products you will create and add a new product. So I will just click on add new product. All right. So here we can create a new product. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and enter a title. Let's just go with maybe shirt, and then you have to enter a description for the product, and then we have to upload our media. So you can upload any file, of course a video or an image. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and add a file. So we have our media right here, then we have our pricing for our products. I'm gonna add the pricing, and then we can have a compare pricing as well, cost per item, and then we have our inventory. We have different options right here, and then we can also add pricing if you have like more than one locations added. Perfect. And then we have our shipping option. So creating a product is like very simple on Shopify, how you would do it. So you enter a weight, then we're gonna select our country as well, and then we have options. So in options, you can see this product has options like size and color. So you're gonna check this option, and then it will allow you to add some of the different variants that are available. For example, let's go with size. So I'm going to add size, and then we have option values. So I'm going to go with small. I'm going to add another one, medium, and large. There you go. And I'm going to click on done. So you can see I have my options here. Now, one of the option is added, you will find the variants given here. So you can see these are my product variants, small, medium, and large, and I can change their pricing. If I have different pricing for a small one or a large one, I can change the pricing, but my pricing is same. And then we can add quantity, and we can also edit the SKU because the weight for large is going to be more than the smaller one, right? So we can edit the SKU as well. Then we have our barcodes as well for different products, and this is how you add variants. Let me give you another example really quickly. Add an option. This time I'm going for colors, and I'm gonna add black, gray, and blue. Click on done. And now I have 9 new variants for my colors. We have small black, small gray, then we have like medium black, medium gray, and medium blue. So all of these different variants are available with all the sizes and all of the different colors. And then we have our pricing here. For example, if my medium black is more than others, then I could just go ahead and enter the price. I can edit the SKU and quantities as well according to different variants right here. So once you have created the variants, you can just select the variants that are available and go with all. So I'm going to select all of them, and then I'm going to add to my website. So now my product has a lot of different variants, you can see right here, and this is how you can also add variants to your product on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.